So what do I think? Well, this natural titanium iPhone 15 looks absolutely beautiful. It feels good in the hand. It's non-slippery. Finger magnet, you can see that I've already got my fingerprints on there. It's so light, and these camera lenses are quite big, quite bigger than the previous one, but the camera on iPhone 15 Pro is just amazing. And you have the action button at the side here, which is the only difference between the previous iPhone and the current iPhone 15 Pro visually. And of course, these are a bit more curved than the previous iPhone. And finally, what we've all been waiting for is the USB-C, which I'm really glad now with one cable for all. And yeah, I think this looks amazing. So as you probably heard, on the iPhone 15 you have the action button on the left, and you can see this is how the setup screen is when you first power up the iPhone. Nice little animation where the action button highlights. You can see that it's by default set on a ringer, and all it says is action button, press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the action button to open camera, turn on torch, or access a favorite iPhone. So we're going to look at customization. Nice little animation there. So currently by default it's silent mode. You can do focus, camera, torch, voice memo, magnifier, shortcut, and I think the shortcut is going to be the best option here, because from shortcut you can launch different shortcuts, and nothing at all. So I don't know why you would do that, but we're going to keep this to the default silent mode. Nice little animation, and that is your action button. So I ordered a natural titanium, and I also ordered a different one. That one is coming in a few days, and this has only arrived today. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, and I'll be doing another unboxing of an iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.